Hi everyone, so we're working on our definitions page today. If your definitions page does not look like this one, then you can watch the other video. There are two versions of the definitions page. So I'm going to pull up my definitions right here. We're going to be writing in the definitions to our 4 vocabulary words. You can get your vocabulary worksheet, which is on the top of your work packet, to start this. So, excuse me. If I'm going too quickly or typing too fast, you can pause the video. So the first word we have is seniors. Seniors. And so we will write down seniors. Seniors are students students in their last year of high school or college. And so if you are in your last year of high school is 4 years, or your last year of college, which is also usually 4 years, then you are a senior. So if you are in your first year of high school or college, you're a freshman, and then you're a sophomore, junior, and senior. And those are the 4 years of high school and college. The next word is graduate. Graduate. So the definition that we were given for graduate is to successfully complete school and receive a diploma. So when you are done with high school and you graduate, that means you've completed all your classes and they can lend you to a diploma. So a diploma is a certificate to show that you're done. And there's also a college one. So if you take all your classes that you need to take in college, then you get a diploma at the end of the year, at the end of your senior year. And some people need these diplomas to help with if they need it for a job, maybe, or if they need it for something specific to what they want to do. Our next word is school. And the definition for school is a place where students learn. So school. So our schools, you guys are in middle school. And so the school that you went to is one of your schools. You also went to different elementary schools. You'll go to different high schools. Maybe you'll go to the same ones. But there's lots of different schools where you guys learn. And you guys learn from kindergarten all the way to your senior year, which is 12th grade. Sorry if you hear my cat. And the last word is celebrate. Sorry about the banging noise too, that's from downstairs. So celebrate is to do something special to honor a person or event. And I'll scroll up a little so you guys can see that better. There you go. So celebrate, to do something special to honor a person or event. So for instance, we're celebrating people who have graduated school, whether it's preschool, kindergarten, 5th grade, 8th grade, senior in high school, senior college, maybe even like a master's degree after college. All of these things we should do to celebrate. It can also be used when you celebrate a person's birthday, a wedding, something that a person has accomplished. All of these things, you can throw a party, make some special food, celebrate. So let's look at our words. We have seniors, students in their last year of high school or college. Graduate, to successfully complete school and receive a diploma. School, a place where students learn. Celebrate, to do something special to honor a person or event.